Hello, Culinary Arts 2. This week I'm giving an audio description. Some people have reached out and said audio helps them understand the assignments. So I'm going to try it this week and see if that helps. So this is for April 20th through 24th. On Monday, you will be doing regional food note cards. They aren't really note cards. There's 3 questions. If you were in my classroom, I would give you note cards to fill them out. There are 3 that you will do, and they are signed, the areas, by your last name. So as you look at the assignment, it might say A through F does these 3 areas. So find which 3 you're supposed to do. I also gave you the page numbers and attached the pages from our book to find the answers. And then once you're done with that, you will submit it to the assignment. Tuesday we'll go live just to get some updates on the direction we're going, explain the Southern Biscuits recipe, and what is happening next week. And then on Wednesday, you're completing a matching sheet that has a list of foods, and you match the foods with the area or the people of that area of the United States or Canada. Thursday is the day I designated for the lab this week, and that is Southern Biscuits. I will also be providing you the jambalaya recipe. The reason I'm giving you Southern Biscuits is I feel that most of you will have these ingredients at home. It's a lot of ingredients in the jambalaya recipe. However, I should also point out you do not have to do the lab if you don't have those ingredients at home. You can choose one of the lab options. There's a link to the chart on the front of our Schoology page. So if you look and see something else that would work better for you, there's posters, there's making a TikTok, there's cleaning out refrigerators and cupboards. So there's lots of possible options there if you don't have the ingredients. And then on Friday, you'll notice it says French reading and a clip about French cooking, because that's where we're going next week. We'll be making crepes, and that's always a popular one. And most of you, again, would have those ingredients at home. If you have questions on any of this, always reach out to me with a Schoology message or send me an email. And again, reminding you that we will go live on Tuesday. Have a good week. Talk to you on Tuesday.